I'm going to teach you how quantum computers work in under a minute. Buckle up. So a regular non-quantum computer speaks using the language 1 or 0. That's it. And then all a computer program is just a chain of commands telling the computer what to do based on the previous value. So if this value equals 1, output 0, 1. If that value equals 0, 1, output 0, and so on. Now the problem is, if you wanted to check all the outputs of this program, you'd have to go down line by line, because you only check 0 or 1. So you'd have to check the value if it's 1, then go down this tree, then check it if it's 0, and go down all of these trees, and go down each and every single possible line, and it takes ages. Now actual computer programs are actually trillions of lines of commands long, so even with a really powerful computer, to compute each and every single one of these outcomes will take a really long time. Now with quantum computers, bits don't have to be 0 or 1, they are 0 and 1 at the same time, and it checks the solution for both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This means instead of having to go down the path of each individual solution, it could kind of just sweep down the whole array of solutions and just instantly output all of them. It's not even comparable how much faster. Now that was a huge oversimplification, but that is more or less how they work, and we haven't fully figured out how to build these things yet, so they're not as powerful as they may sound. And like the way you write code for them is totally different than a normal computer, so it's not just like drag and drop and it runs way faster. But if you want to learn more about these things, specifically why we have to submerge them in the coldest temperatures known in the universe for them to even remotely work, let me know in the comments, and I'll make another video on this. I hope you learned something today. Toss me a follow for more cool tech stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video.